Hardware Resources wood top mount trash can pull-out features beautiful solid birch construction with a clear UV finish for easy cleaning. Single can units include a chrome basket behind the can for extra bag storage. Double can units are also available. Cans, which are sold separately, are available in 35 or 50 quart sizes and also with black, white, and now our new tone gray. And the included trash can ring allows you to customize the pull-out to your needs. Our 100-pound capacity DuraClose system closes softly and securely every time. From Hardware Resources, organization made easy. If using a variable speed screw gun with clutch to install your new organizer, make sure it is set to a lower setting. Begin by double-checking your cabinet for the correct sizing. The top mount wood trash can systems are available for 12-inch, 15-inch, 18-inch, and 21-inch finished with openings. If using the 50 quart trash cans, a full 27-inch base cabinet opening will be required. Separate the ball bearing slide with the release clips. Place slide cabinet members off to the side for later installation. Assemble the door brackets by placing one metal washer, then one plastic washer on each number 8 by 1/2 inch pan head machine screw and install them into the angle bracket. Just loosely tighten. Turn trash can unit upside down and install the assembled door brackets to the unit in the pre-drilled holes using 10 number 6 by 3.5 oval head wood screws. Position trash organizer on the door panel and attach with 8 number 8 by 7/16 pan head wood screws. For the 35 quart trash cans, the minimum height to center of slide is 14.5 inches from the bottom of the cabinet opening. For the 50 quart cans, the minimum height to center of slide is 21 inches. Pre-drill holes on the face frame. Install rear slide brackets onto the end of the slides and extend until it contacts the back of the cabinet. Make sure there is an equal distance from the cabinet wall to the slide from front to back. Secure bracket with 2 number 8 by 7/16 truss head wood screws. Position and secure the cabinet member of the ball bearing slide with 1 number 8 by 7/16 inch truss head wood screw. Repeat on other side. Slip your organizer into the cabinet by aligning the inner cabinet member into the slide and pushing completely into the cabinet. Slight door adjustment can be achieved by readjusting the door bracket screws for left to right and up and down. The screws on the side of the door bracket can be adjusted for door tilt.